While staying in Ilıca, we took short trips to the nearby towns of Çeşme and Alaçatı to see what else this area has to offer. Looking back, Çeşme might actually have been a better base for us. Join us for these walks and see if you agree. Çeşme is on the end of a peninsula sitting beside the Aegean Sea. It's northwest of Kuşadası and southwest of Istanbul. It's about an hour's bus ride from Izmir. Good morning. Today we've taken the dolmuş from Ilıca Beach to the main town area of Çeşme. And we're going to have a bit of a look around here. I think there's a castle and an old church and a few other things. So yeah, let's go and check it out.
Senin ne işin var burada?
We just went into a pharmacy to buy some sunscreen, and the shop attendant there was a big Lord of the Rings fan. I was showing him a couple of pictures of places in Porter's Pass in Arthur's Pass area of New Zealand where they filmed some of the Lord of the Rings. This seems to be the area where people go out on the boats for day tours. It looks like a nice area for walking along the waterfront. We found the city beach over there. Certainly not too crowded. We didn't bring our swimming togs anyway. Water looks pretty clear. Nice spot. Çeşme Castle. It's got its own minaret. It's pretty cool. A lot of guns out the front. I think seriously it's about €6 each to go in there, which is not a lot, but I've been to quite a few castles recently. Might give this one a miss, although it does look like you can do a lot of walking up on it. People way up the back there, it's quite cool. Yeah, okay, we'll decide if we're going to do that. Maybe we'll just check out more of the outside of the area like this. And this picture here is all made of stones. It's cool. Good morning. So this morning we're out on a walk from Ilıca Beach to Alaçatı, which is a town inland from the beach a little bit, and we're in search of some windmills up here. You can't go too far without seeing a statue of the famous Atatürk. He's everywhere. Alright, I think the windmills are up this way. We found them. Might get a bit of a view too. So the Çeşme area that we're in is out on a peninsula coming out from Izmir in Turkey. So I'm guessing that bit over there leads to the sea again on the other side of the peninsula from where we're staying, and then over this way, way in the distance, we've walked a little way, we can see the sea out towards Ilıca Beach. Yeah, way out there. It's kind of where we walked from. This is one of the older streets in Alaçatı, one of those two.
Hakkım var bir de. Yani senin çocukların var. Still just making our way around the town. Bit of a loop walk around it. Very pretty streets. It's well worth a walk around, have a look. All the streets look the same. We're pretty lost now. Pretty sure we haven't been here. Keep walking this way.
Nice cat. There he goes. This cafe is all about tractors. We're still lost. Find our way out of here eventually. Okay, we found something we recognise, a mosque minaret. So before we were over on the right hand side of that. At least we know where we are now.